Maintain indoor air quality with the ACO Air Purifier Dehumidifier in one. So this is our ACO 2-in-1 Dehumidifier and Air Purifier. Let's unbox it!
Amazing! Wow. As an air purifier, it has a HEPA filter at the back. This is the HEPA filter.
I heard this can filter even small particles of dust. Try googling it, guys. HEPA filter.
Okay. And for the air dehumidifier, it has a water tank that can collect up to 12 liters of water coming from the moisture.
I heard that there's an app that comes with this equipment. How do we use that?
Yes, you can download the Smart Life app, or you can simply scan the QR code that comes with the manual.
So that's it. You guys could save up with this device. It's a 2-in-1 air purifier and dehumidifier. This product's coverage is 20 square meters. You can operate it using your cell phone with its smart control feature. Approved yan ni Mang Johnny!